Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn about house rooms and furniture. Living room. Living room. I watch television with my family in the living room. I watch television with my family in the living room. Kitchen. Kitchen. I cook food in the kitchen. I cook food in the kitchen. Bedroom. Bedroom. I sleep in my bedroom. I sleep in my bedroom. Bathroom. Bathroom. I take a shower in the bathroom. I take a shower in the bathroom. Dining room. Dining room. I eat dinner in the dining room. I eat dinner in the dining room. Laundry room. Laundry room. I wash my clothes in the laundry room. I wash my clothes in the laundry room. House furniture, objects, items. Television. Television. Armchair. Armchair. Speaker. Speaker. Sofa. Sofa. Vase. Vase. Clock. Clock. Telephone. Telephone. Fan. Fan. Floor lamp. Floor lamp. Curtain. Curtain. Stove. Stove. Fridge. Fridge. Sink. Sink. Dining table. Dining table. Bedside table. Bedside table. Toilet bowl. Toilet bowl. Sink. Sink. Mirror. Mirror. Closet. Closet. Laundry basket. Laundry basket. Washing machine. Washing machine.
Kick. Hey, hey, hey.